हेलो दोस्तों, कैसे आप लोग। वेलकम बैक टू माय न्यू वीडियो। ये वीडियो है एक फॉलोअप वीडियो फ्रॉम माय एक्सपीरियंस ऑफ द रिसेंटली हेल्ड BMW GS Trophy qualifier round. I had participated from the Delhi zone. Basically, I think the North India zone participated from this area. If you haven't seen the previous video where I've shown you what all I did in the GS Trophy, then I will leave a link of that video in the I button. Please go and watch that video first and then come back to this video. So इस वीडियो में आज मैं basically आप लोगों को अपना personal experience share करने वाला हूँ about the recently held BMW GS Trophy qualifier round for India. My experience was very good. I'm going to talk about that in more detail just in a while. I loved the entire experience. I loved the setup. I loved the way they have created all the challenges for us to take part in this championship. So ज़्यादा time waste नहीं करते. I'll just quickly start the bike, go on a quick round, and on the ride I will talk about what were the different challenges that we went through in the qualifiers. आप लोगों को कैसे prepare करना है if you want to participate in the GS Trophy next year, and again my experience of doing all those exercises. So मैं इन सब के बारे में आपको बताता हूँ. Let me just quickly start the bike and hit the road, and then let me talk about all these things just in a while. Okay, so let me start by giving you a brief format of this GS Trophy. I think the format is quite simple. Riders from every country can participate in this event. If you own a BMW GS bike, whether it is 310 or 1250 or even the other bikes, 750, 850 in the GS category, you can ride with any of those bikes and participate in the event. As a first round, every country will organize the qualifiers in their country. Like for example, in India we have 4 zonal qualifiers for each of the zones: north, south, east, west. And from every zone they will shortlist the best riders, and they will create a team of 25 riders from the overall zonal participants, and those 25 riders will then go and participate in the India qualifier rounds. Finally, 3 top riders will be selected for the international qualifiers, which will be happening at Albania this year. Okay, wow, this I'm looking for the first time here. So that is the format. You start from your zonal round, participate in the India round, and from there you go to Albania to participate in the international round to represent your country. I think top 3 riders will go to the international round. So ये तो हो गया format की बात. Now let me just talk to you about कि होता क्या है qualifier round के अंदर. थोड़ा बहुत आइडिया आपको मेरे पहले वाले वीडियो को देख के मिल गया होगा कि what exactly will happen in that. Okay, I don't know where this route will go, but just चल के देखते हैं एक बार. Let me talk about the setup of the day of the qualifier round. We started the day early morning around 7:30. I actually was one of the first riders to reach the venue that day. Once we reached the venue, the first thing we did was registered ourselves. With the registration, we also got the BMW jersey along with a cap and a t-shirt, and also the stickers with our bike numbers that were supposed to be put on our bikes. So that was the first thing that we did. Okay, छोटा सा एडवेंचर हो गया है. I had no idea कि ये रोड कहाँ निकलने वाला था, but I just took this as a shortcut. So once the registration was done, jersey वर्सी मिल गया, cap वैप मिल गया, then some photo shoots were happening, so photo shoot वगैरह ख़त्म करा. The next thing, which was probably the most important thing of the entire day, was the briefing session. So the briefing was done by our instructor. His name is Shahnawaz Kareem. I think you would have seen him in my previous video at the time of GS experience. In my view, he's a great trainer. He's a great guy in general also. You will learn a lot of things if you are with him and if you are spending some time with him. So he was the BMW marshal who was checking at all the activities that were happening that day at the event. So briefing में शाहनवाज ने हमें बहुत क्लियरली समझाया what are the different exercises and the challenges that we are supposed to perform. किन चीज़ों के negative points कटेंगे, किन चीज़ों को ध्यान में रखना while performing your different challenges and all. So I think the briefing was very detailed, very informative. Then as a part of his briefing, he also gave us a walkthrough of all the different challenges. ही एक्सप्लेन्ड अस वेरी क्लियरली किस चैलेंज में किस चीज़ का ध्यान रखना है, किस चीज़ के नेगेटिव पॉइंट्स मिल सकते हैं, क्या हमें ध्यान में रखना है वाइल परफॉर्मिंग दोज चैलेंजेस एंड ऑल. तो बहुत क्लियरली ही एक्सप्लेन्ड अस ऑल दोज डिफरेंट पॉइंट्स. Okay, so after your registration and the briefing was done, the next thing was the different challenges that we were supposed to perform. Now let me just tell you each of the challenges that were a part of this qualifier round. One by one I'll tell you about each of the different challenges, and मैं थोड़ा थोड़ा उनका वीडियो फुटेज और some glimpse of what that challenge is all about मैं आपको स्क्रीन पे साथ साथ दिखाता रहूँगा. The first challenge was the endurance test. It was simple, but at the same time it tested your endurance really well. So basically in this round you will start the round by dropping your bike first on the left side. आप पहले अपनी बाइक को खुद गिराओगे. Yes, it sounds very insane, but that's a part of the exercise कि आप पहले बाइक को लेफ्ट में गिराओगे. You will then pick up the bike and then you will drop the bike on the right hand side. So आपने लेफ़्ट में पहले गिराया, वहाँ से उठाया, फिर आपने राइट में गिराया, फिर आपने वहाँ से उठाया. Once that is done, then you will start the bike in the first gear and then you will either walk or run with the bike, not riding the bike, but you have to stand next to the bike and just walk with it or run with it. So roughly for around 100 to 200 meters आप अपनी बाइक को आगे लेके जाओगे. Once you will reach there, you will park the bike. सामने एक बड़ा टायर रखा था. So 3 times आपने टायर को रोल करा in the front and 3 times उसको वापस रोल करा आपने. Once that was done, then you will again start the bike, take a sort of a U-turn, go towards the other side of the area. But the catch while coming back was that आपको बाइक को बंद करके आना है. जब आप जा रहे थे तो आपने बाइक को फर्स्ट गियर में and you were just running with the bike, so there was less effort. आपको सिर्फ अपना बैलेंस मेंटेन करना था उस टाइम पे. बट वापस आते हुए आपको अपनी बाइक को बंद करना था. सो वो दैट 100 to 200 मीटर्स वाला जो स्ट्रेच था, यू हैव टू डू इट बाय पुशिंग योर बाइक. सो आई थिंक दैट वाज द मोस्ट डिफ़िकल्ट पार्ट इन दैट एंटायर चैलेंज बिकॉज जब आपने वो 100-200 मीटर्स पहले कर लिए, भाग के आपने बाइक गिराई, बाइक को उठाया, यू हैव ऑलरेडी कंज्यूम्ड मोस्ट ऑफ योर एनर्जी इन द फर्स्ट पार्ट ऑफ द एक्सरसाइज. And then all of a sudden you are asked to start pushing your bike, and in that surface which was full of sand, it was very difficult to push the bike forward. But that was the whole point. Endurance test का पूरा point ही वही था, to test whether you can physically manage this exercise or not. Oh wow, there's a horse riding club near my house which I was not even aware of. In the endurance test, what they were actually looking for is how quickly have you completed the entire. It was a time based activity कि आपने कितना जल्दी उस एक्टिविटी को ख़त्म करा. That is what they were testing as a part of that challenge. So total there were 13 different challenges. First was the endurance test, then there were 11 individual exercises that you were supposed to perform on your bike, and the last was a team exercise. So I'll talk about that also later. So let's move to the first individual exercise. So your session will start by parking your bike at the starting point. You will be standing roughly around 50-60 meters away from your bike. Once the timer will start, you will run towards your bike. आप अपना हेलमेट पहनोगे, अपना ग्लव्स पहनोगे, you will lock your helmet properly and then you will start the bike, and that is when you actually start the session for yourself. जैसे ही आप अपने अरीना में घुसे, the first exercise that we had was the circle of 8. So circle of 8 is a pretty simple exercise. आप circle के corner से enter करते हो. You have to complete 3 full rounds, and once your 3 full rounds are done, then you move to the next circle and you start to do the reverse circling. So basically it makes an 8. You first do the clockwise circle, then you do the anti-clockwise circle. So 3 circle clockwise and 3 circle anti-clockwise. So that is the first challenge. आपको इसमें बस ये ध्यान रखना है कि you don't fall from your bike, you don't dab, and जितना smoothly आप इसको करोगे उतना better आपके लिए. So the moment you exit from circle of 8, the second challenge was parallel beams. Actually quite simple. 2 logs रखे हुए, 2 logs के बीच में से आपने अपनी बाइक को लेके जाना है सीधा, without falling, without dabbing. It's actually pretty simple, but it seems to be pretty simple, but it is definitely not a very easy exercise. कुछ लोग वहाँ पे गिर भी गए थे, कुछ लोगों ने पैर नीचे लगाए थे. So it's not as easy as usually it looks like. So after parallel bars, the next exercise was J turn or elephant turn, whatever you want to call it. So you again enter from one side of the box, put your left foot down, and you have to do a very clean tire spin and take a U-turn. सुनने में बड़ा आसान लगता है, but जब करते हो तो it's a very difficult exercise again. What you have to keep in mind in this is again आपका पैर बार बार move नहीं हो रहा है. You're not touching the other feet on the ground. And it has to be a complete spin also. Then after you exit from the elephant turn, then the next exercise for us was the most difficult exercise of the entire GS experience. It is called the GS Garage. It is a zigzag U-turn kind of an exercise, and as you move forward and take those turns, आपका distance जो है वो कम होता रहता है for turning the bike. So that's what the challenge is. I think most of the riders definitely struggled to do that cleanly. सब लोगों ने उस पर struggle करा था. Then after exiting from the garage, the next exercise was slalom. Slalom usually is a very easy exercise. I think the only difficulty part would be there were a lot of cones. I think a bit more than 10 to 12 cones that were placed. And it was a very sandy area, so thoda sa balance karna was becoming a little tough, but otherwise slalom is one of the easiest exercise. Okay, so after slalom the next was balancing your bike with one hand. आपको एक बॉक्स में आके खड़ा होना है. You have to get down from your bike, put your bike in neutral, and उसके बाद आपको you have to take the entire circle of your bike by just handling the bike with one hand. You cannot touch your second hand to balance the bike. Next was the slow race. Slow race is basically there's a starting point, there's an ending point, and आपको अपनी बाइक को जितना स्लो हो सके, जितना ज़्यादा टाइम आप ले सको फ्रॉम द स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट टू द एंड पॉइंट, आपको उतने ज़्यादा टाइम के अंदर वो रेस को कंप्लीट करना है. जितना धीरे करोगे उतना आपके लिए बेटर है. The technique you can use is, because it's a box, so you can go from left and right to cover as much as space as you can to increase your time. But again, if you'll dab, तो आपको नेगेटिव पॉइंट्स मिलते हैं, तो वो आपको ध्यान रखना है उसमें. द मोमेंट यू एग्जिट फ्रॉम द स्लो रेस बॉक्स, द नेक्स्ट वाज शार्प यू टर्न बॉक्स. शार्प यू टर्न, अगेन आप बॉक्स के अंदर जाओगे फ्रॉम द राइट हैंड साइड, यू हैव टू टेक ए वेरी शार्प यू टर्न एंड एग्जिट फ्रॉम द अदर साइड ऑफ द बॉक्स. उससे एग्जिट करते के साथ ही द नेक्स्ट एक्सरसाइज वाज द बीम. Beam is again balancing your bike on that single beam. You enter from one side of the beam and exit from the other side of the beam. You have to make sure that you're able to balance your bike on that beam throughout. Next was again slalom, but in this you're not riding the bike. आप starting point पे जाओगे, you'll get down off your bike. आप first gear में bike को slalom करते हुए exit पे लेके जाओगे, and to come back from there आपको reverse में उसको push करके लेके आना है. So it's again more of an endurance test, I would say. Very difficult because while coming back आपके अंदर energy नहीं होती है to push it back properly. So that's what the this particular challenge is all about. Last challenge is quite simple. When you're going towards the exit part of the arena, वहाँ पे एक box बना हुआ है. उस box में एक white mark बना हुआ है. उस white mark के ऊपर आपको जाके रुकना है और आपका stand उस white mark के ऊपर आपको लगाना है. Again, the only challenge is you are not supposed to put your feet down anywhere in the box, and अगर आप पैर रखते हो तो basically it is more of negative points. So far we have now done 12 rounds. First was the endurance, and then these were the 11 different challenges that you were doing. Now the last exercise that is left, which is a team challenge. आपको दो टीम में डिवाइड कर दिया जाता है, and it is a tug of war. So it's a best of 3 fight. Whichever team wins 2 out of those 3 rounds will basically get the points. So with that the GS trophy qualifier is over. 13 rounds. मैं अगर अपना एक्सपीरियंस बताऊँ तो मुझे नहीं लगता कि मैंने बहुत अच्छा करा इस क्वालिफायर राउंड के अंदर. For me this was the first time that I was participating in this GS trophy. मेरे लिए there was a lot of learning from this event. I personally feel that after this event I am a much better rider. I have better understanding of handling my bike, balancing my bike. So definitely this event has helped me to become a better rider. The good thing was I was able to meet a lot of different people, a lot of different riders. So definitely I was able to connect and meet and become friends with a lot of different other riders also. As next year, मैं definitely I'm going to improve my skills. मैं next year challenge के लिए और ज़्यादा prepare करूँगा. मेरे पास पूरा 1 साल है to make sure that I can do these exercises in a better way. So that's what I'm going to do. This year definitely I'm not hoping that I'm going to move forward to the next round, but that's okay. That was not the intention also. Intention was very clear that just to go there, get an experience, learn and use it for your future rides. So I hope दोस्तों इस वीडियो से आपको थोड़ा information मिला होगा about what happens in a GS qualifier round. In the end, I will just say that BMW has done a great job in organizing an event like this. Getting this BMW community together to come and participate and become a part of this event, it's a great job by the entire BMW team. चलो दोस्तों, I think ये वीडियो बहुत लंबा हो गया, so let me just end this video here. अगर कोई भी query है आपकी regarding GS Trophy, you can always reach out to me in the comment section or on my Instagram handle. My handle name would be somewhere on the screen. I hope आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया है, and as always अगर पसंद आया तो I will request you to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next video very soon. Until then, keep riding and stay safe. Bye.